Best Car Tablet Holder Review. In this video, we will share with you two of the most popular car tablet holders in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. The ones we'll be looking at is the one from Triwon and the one from AboveTEK. The one on the left is a headrest type tablet holder, while the one on the right is a suction cup type. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of both types of tablet holders being used. The first one we'll look at is the Triwon car headrest tablet mount. This mount features a one-handed installation and release. It's perfect for headrest bar widths of 4.7 to 5.9 inches. It's ideal for smartphones and tablets of 4 to 10.6 inches diagonally. The multi-angle rotation can be adjusted for the best viewing angle, and it even has a stretchable arm that can be extended up to 10.6 inches. To check out the full specs of the Triwon car headrest tablet mount and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/mount-headrest. Here's a quick video demo of this headrest type tablet mount. The second one that we're looking at is the AboveTEK large tablet mount. The rotary knob design turns and pushes out air completely for maximum suction power. With this mount, you can attach it to any vertical or horizontal smooth surface. This universal holder fits any 4 to 11-inch display tablet and phone. Other than being used in a car, you can also use it at home or in the office wherever you need it. The 360-degree arm rotation and 180-degree folding allows you to view your device at multi-angles. To check out the full specs of the AboveTEK large tablet mount and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/mount-suction. Here's a quick video demo of this tablet mount. So there you have it, the tablet holders from Triwon and AboveTEK. Depending on whether you want to mount it on your headrest or on the windshield, you can choose the one that fits your needs. Again, to check out the full specs of the Triwon headrest, you can go to bit.ly/mount-headrest. And if you want to go for the suction cup type, you can go for the AboveTEK tablet holder, which is available at bit.ly/mount-suction. Alright, thank you for watching.